This is the Megastar, I think it is. So I gotta try to do this quick because I gotta pick up my daughter from school. So let's make this quick. So how I like to do my hair, I like to separate it and then clip it up to a clip. Usually have a comb, but yeah, I'm kind of running out of time. So I'm gonna try to do this quick. And I like this one because it goes all the way up to four. Can you see it? 450. It heats up fast. I've had this for like, I think I've had it for 5 years already, and it still does what it has to do. So I just straighten my hair and then curl it at the end. And then let it go. And I'm doing like loose waves today. Not doing nothing dramatic. I have curled my whole hair, all my hair with this before, like everything curled, but it just gives me a nice, I like this effect better when I'm on the go, like when I gotta go. So just give me a nice wave. Simple. Sometimes you might need to take thinner strands of hair, but I don't really care because I'm not going nowhere special. So I just like to do this. Make it like a little wave. Simple. See? Same effect. So I take the iron and just start twisting it. And there we go. Perfect. And the thing that I like about this iron the most is that it makes my hair look shiny. Like, it doesn't look dull, it doesn't look unhealthy, like it looks like healthy hair should. And there we go. And I like my hair to like go like this instead of all mixed and whatnot. So yeah, I think I'm gonna shut up now and just finish the rest of my hair. like your hair to be parted, whatever. I don't know if I want to part it this way or part it down the middle or what. You know what? I'll just part it down the middle. So I like to make the front part, do the strands a little bit thinner. Come like that. And flip it a little. Flip like this. Flip it. Then you have your nice curls on one side. This on the next side. So we're gonna do the same thing. Go from underneath and just flip. And then just turn it off and let it cool off for a while, and then just zhuzh up your hair a little bit. Zhuzh it up. And there we go. This could be your quick look. It didn't take that long, right? It was really quick. And here we go. The look is complete. Add some hair serum, whatever you want. Just make sure not to apply a lot. But anyways, yes. This is the hair.